Okay, hi everyone, my name is Michael, and in this short reflection video, I'll share what I've learned from Brown and Clark's reflexive thematic analysis and Gopel's qualitative interviewing, and how both frameworks connect and can be applied in my future research. So, what I find most valuable about Brown and Clark's reflexive thematic analysis is its flexibility and focus on the researcher's reflexivity. It's not just about finding themes that already exist in the data, but about actively constructing meaning through careful engagement and interpretation. And from Gvel's concept of qualitative interviewing, I learned that interviews are not just about collecting data, but about creating knowledge through conversation. So the interviewer and interviewee both shape the meanings that emerges, and this view change how I see research. It's less about it's less about extracting information and more about engaging a dialogue that builds understanding together. When I connect both frameworks, I see that provides the method for gathering rich, meaningful narratives, while Brown and Clark offer the way to analyze and interpret those narratives systematically. They complement each other perfectly, which interviews generate the data and thematic analysis transforms that data into insight. Both require the reflexivity, awareness, and sensitivity to meaning. And in my own potential research, I plan to use interviews to explore students' experience, especially how they manage time or motivation. And using these frameworks, I'll make sure to stay self aware, recognize my own assumptions, and allow participants' voices to guide the interpretation. However, I anticipate some challenges such as blending my subjective interpretations with participants' intended meanings and managing large amounts of qualitative data. But I think these challenges will help me grow as a reflective and responsible researcher. So overall, learning from what Brown and Clark and Wells has shown me that qualitative research is deeply human. I mean, it's about stories, meanings, and connections, and that's what makes it powerful. So maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching my reflection.